springtime's for planting. And it's springtime at the farm. Linda calls it working at the God's gym. You know, I'm 74 and Linda's a young 66. And so it's good for us, healthy for us to work in the garden. And today she's going to go plant the remainder of these plants you see in the background. These start in February. And, you know, most of the equipment we have is almost as old as us. The Troy-built tiller that we used to till the garden is 50 years old. Even the shovels from the farm, some of those are 60 or 70 years old. But Linda really grows a wonderful garden. And but this year is full of surprises. First off, I thought, and I always hope, will the Troy-built start? Fourth pull started right up and we tilled the whole garden. You know, it's only 2 feet at a time and it takes me a long time. And I'm getting older for that. I have too much weight on. But we get the first planting done, the tomatoes in the garden and the whole thing. And sure enough, we go into snow. Snow falls. This is May, the end of May, almost June. And we had a snowfall. So Linda had to scramble down to the garden, we cut out plastic milk jugs and put it over every plant she had planted so far. 24 hours later, 60 degrees. And we're putting the pontoon in the lake. Anyway, the garden's always surprises. Always surprises. So we're going to go down today and finish the planting. I have to get the weed eater around the fence and turn the electric fence on to keep the critters out of there as much as we can. We try to share with them a little bit, but we'd like to keep them out until we get the plants up. So anyway, it's been a wild season. Just get plants in and the snow comes and the freezing temperatures. So we had to cover everything. But this is what it looks like planting the garden on the farm. Well, the garden is ready for rototilling. I just need to do a line up and down each side of the fences here. There's already a little lettuce coming?
Yeah.
What?
Diane's lettuce reseeded itself and it's coming up in here.
Oh, look at the lettuce. It's reseeded, huh?
There's some more. Right in there.
Lettuce. Good. We'll have salads here soon, right?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of lettuce is it?
Like I remember.
Like you remember.
Diane might remember. I don't.
Let's see.
I'll have to send it to Diane and see if she can remember.
Oh, look at the rhubarb. Mmm. Yeah. Nice rhubarb. Rhubarb jam, jelly, crunch. There's one way out here. They're kind of an odd looking plant, aren't they? Kind of an odd looking thing. But tasty. What about these onions?
They're all good.
Winter onions?
Yep.
Those green parts are good for flavoring or what?
The bulb part is edible too, you know. You want me to pull some?
Yeah. Let's try one. And then chives here.
I might need the shovel out of the truck shed. We'll see.
It looks like it's moving, Linda.
Yeah, if I pull it too hard, too fast, I'll lose it. But there you are.
Mm.
How many
And the top, though. Top's good too, right?
Right. Yep.
Winter onions.
Don't tell anybody, but we've got asparagus.
Ooh, fresh picked asparagus.
Yes, look at, we've got sage coming. Oh,
Sage.
how wonderful.
Really?
This is sage.
Huh.
Look at it.
The winter was good. Sage.
Yeah, yeah.
Sage.
There's that. Well, that plant didn't even have any winter kill.
All right.
Nice. Good,
Boy,
good,
that
good.
smells good. That you just picked. I can smell that onion all the way over here.
Yeah.
A bunch of chives need.
Yep. We need to harvest
Come-
chives.
Okay. We're already harvesting, and it's only just barely May.
Yeah. Isn't that's the beauty of self-seeding and planting the right things. You know, things that'll come back.
Yeah, I see some of these raspberries made it.
You know, this variety actually put out berries
This put out berries last year.
all summer long into the fall. It probably didn't quit until there's that 50-year-old Troy Bill doing his job. Yeah, I guess. Keep his eyes on the tiller. Water.
Okay. I'll be right back.
And it's kind of just enough to a little bit, you know.
Yeah.
This is, I soak them really